Okay, so where are the piggies? I think I see a piggy foot. There's a piggy foot right there. Look at that foot. You see her moving around? She's moving around. That is a Rosie. Hi, Rose. Look at all the beans you left. Oh my goodness. Yeah, sorry. I'll leave you alone. Bye-bye. Let's see. There's their two little cuddle cups. They use them when they feel like it. And we did the hippy dippy colors this time around. The purple and the red and the flowers. See those flowers? And let's see where everybody else is. And their toys. Everything matches. Oh yeah, it really does match. It really does. And this is their fleece under here. This is the one that this matches that, the fleece liner. And then we have a Lexi. Hey, Lex. Hey, Lex. Oh, you're eating the box. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. Oh, well. Box matches the color of the hay. Right, Lexi? Yeah. That means we have to find a Bella. No, they didn't touch the pellets this morning. Oh, well. Let's see. And I put this matching fleece from there, because I cut it in half. And there's my Bella, all cuddled up with her little fleece toys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Look at that. Look at the mess. She's so cute, all cuddled up over there. It's sleepy time. In a couple of hours, it'll be eaty time. Yeah. See her little ear twitching in there. So cute. Right, Lex? Hi, Lexi. Hi, Lexi. Hi, honey. Come on. I don't want to touch you with your head in there. Hi. Hi, honey. Hey, so cute. There you go. Yeah, so cute. She's such a cute little piggy. Such a cute little piggy. Yeah. So it's a happy Sunday morning. Yep, there she goes. Back to eating. She doesn't care. It's the messy piggies. Right? Yeah, look at that. Piggy foot. Instead of Bigfoot. And the beans. Piggy and the beans.